So here, look at this. So here taking your array is 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. One thing what we went around so is something like this. Look at this everyone. Our approach is correct. What is that, sir? Start with first element. 2 pointers you are taking. Initially both the pointers are pointing to the same thing. Then find the sum of that first element, only one element. Okay? Anyway, you are moving second pointer but one by one because you have written one for loop here. Alright, sir? Tell me, initially you have written one for loop, so left pointer you are fixing, but second pointer you are already moving it. When you are moving it, is it necessary again to do this, sir? J equals to j plus 1? No. Why? It's already moving, sir. If this is okay, not satisfied, it will do. Otherwise, automatically goes to next place. That is one point. Second point, so when you are shrinking, you are not subtracting the sum of that element from the currency. So these two are the problems. That's why we got 10 there. We are supposed to get 8. Why we got 10? We are saying sum. But it is serious. Look at this area. Output side. Here, so first time the sum is 2, correct. Second time 2, 3, sum is 5. Third time 2, 3, 1, 6. Fourth time 2, 3, 1, 2, 8. Okay, we got correct. Now it is satisfying condition. So when it's satisfying condition, what is the minimum length? Now either whatever length we got 4. Before infinite, now 4, the length is 4. Okay. So, but what you are doing, you have extracted minimum length 4. You are moving what's the window to the right. Means you are moving the first pointer to the right. That means you are shrinking. Then when you are shrinking, is your current sum will be same as previous sum? No. That element which you are leaving should be subtracted. That's why we didn't get what's that answer. Okay, na? Yes, that's one point, sir, where we have to do it. Second one is, sir, why did you keep only if condition, sir? Will it only executed for once? No. As long as the condition is satisfied, it keep on shrinking without moving to the next pointer in G. I hope you understand? Yes. So, whenever condition is satisfied, your current sum is greater than or equals to, tell me, your target, or subarray sum is greater than or equals to target. Until it fails the condition, you should keep on shrinking. So it's a repetitive process. But we have written only once, just using if statement. Then you have tried a while. Okay, that's one change. Okay, no? Right. So we'll see those two changes are now. Let us see, okay, how exactly it's working. I'm writing down code C everyone, sir. And also do not follow I colon J, sir. We are following I colon J because somewhere you are missing with the last element. Okay? Yes. Only add the person's second element. Second index we have the J. Keep on adding it. Okay? Because anyway you are adding that to the person's previous existing sum. The sum will automatically be. Like normal addition, array element sum, how do you find? Very simple. You start with first element. You take initial sum is 0. Sum equals to sum plus first element. Then sum equals to sum plus second element. Then sum is equals to sum plus third element. Like that you proceed instead of keeping that colon sum. It is leading confused somewhere where sir, our last element is not reaching. Amma, boys and girls, please everyone. Sir, everyone be attentive. Over, my break is over. Just see here. Now let's see. Now let us see. Those are the changes I am making into this code, sir. So let's see how it works. The entire code I have been moving and writing from the beginning. Let's see. Okay, because I written two for loops here, sir, and I am also removing them. Everything I am removing here. Let us start now. One is main side I am taking. One is subarray sum initially I am taking 0. Okay, and also what do you take? The current index I equals to 0. Then start with this for only one for loop. J in very simple, sir. Range of for J in range of what do you take everyone, sir? Start from the first. Both are from the first. 18. Okay. I'll just increase the size, sir, to the last rows also to be visible. Okay now? Right. For JE range of take both at the beginning itself. Actually, it's between one is at 0, one is at 1 because we want to get I colon G. Now I'm not using I colon G. Now let it start with both at the words 0 only. So length of nums. Okay. It starts at 0, ends at length of nums minus 1. Okay. Now evaluate subs. Sub array sum is equals to, what do you do? Add the current element to the previous sum. Initially how much I took, sir? 0. I'm just finding. Okay? Yes. Sub array sum plus, tell me everyone, what is our what's the current element we have, sir? Nums of G. Just add the current element to this. Is it clear, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? It's like finding normal array element sum. Okay, now? So you are adding 0, first element to the 0. Initially it is 0, so you got first element sum. Only one element you got it. Both I and j, both are pointing to 0. So the initially j is 0, nums of 0 means first element. You are adding it to the subarray sum, that is initially 0. So 0 plus something, you get something, that will be the first element sum you got it. Now the length is both I is 0 and j is 0. Yes. Now we have to keep a condition. Actually, a conditions are we kept before only one time. It's not one time. What's up? As long as the condition is satisfied, you have to keep on shrinking. If the condition is failing, then expand. Okay, na? Right. So, do not write if, let us keep y here. Y. Sub array sum is greater than or equals to target, then you do something. What is that you do here? Two things. One is update the minimum size and tell me, sir, shrink the window and update the current sum also. Update what's whenever you shrink the window, one element gets removed. So that entire sum you have to delete itself. Come on, look at this carefully. Sir, look at this carefully. Sir, when you have got first 4 elements, this is our first. Tell me, condition where we have got satisfied. Am I right, sir? Tell me, yes. Here I am I equals 0, here I am j. This is the place where my condition is satisfied, this condition. Otherwise it's not satisfied because in all other cases the sum is less than 7. Here only it is crossing 7. Come on, look at this. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. How much here? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Now it is crossing. Till this it is not crossing. I hope you understand. So this is our current window what we have. Okay? Current window what we have. So now you tell me, whenever you have this condition satisfied, sir, what you will do? What you will do? Very simple, sir. You will first update what is the current length you have that you will find. You will update that with the minimum length. Okay? And then you shrink it. Then what do you do, sir? So let us say, sir, my current sum is equals to, I got it how much? Greater than or equals to target. So what is my minimum length becomes now? Minimum length is equals to minimum of what is the length here? 4. So j is at 3. Index is 3, sir. Minus 0. 3 minus 0. 3 plus 1. 4. Yes. Current length is 4. Initial length is plus infinite. So which one is minimum? 4. So that's why your mean length becomes 4. Or mean size becomes 4. Okay. So initially you update the minimum size to 4. Then what we will do? You shrink the window. Shrink the window means, sir, this is actually currently window. Now what you take? You move I pointer here. That means this is your window. That means the current sum what you have, from that you must subtract 2. Am I right, sir? Tell me, yes. Before we have not subtracted, that's why we got what, sir? The more here. I hope you understand. Okay? Right. So what we will do here, sir, we write one more step. After finding minimum, your subarray sum, current sum or subarray sum is equals to subarray sum minus array of I or nums of I pointer value. This value you have to subtract, then move. Before what's the moving only subtract, otherwise you get wrong answer. Okay? I equals to I plus 1. So this is where we missed in the previous steps. This is 1. I hope you understand. Okay now? Yes. That's one reason we got different answer. And one more we were trying to do using normal afterwards I colon J, that is leading to confusion. That is avoided, follow like a normal addition. Okay, and one more is instead of writing just if, let it be while. Why? Because it's a repetitive process. As long as the condition is satisfied, you have to shrink. It's not only shrinking one time and coming out. I hope you understand. Still the condition is satisfied, again you shrink it. So your shrinking process is not like a different step. Until the condition fails, it should continue. I hope you understand. That only you get remembered, otherwise many iterations will come. Okay? Right. So that's the reason. That's the reason, sir. Our code has earlier produced a wrong answer. Same process, no doubt. Our process is right. But whatever we explain, while writing it, with this one term of subtracting the sum, and one more is an iterative shrinking. It's not only one shrinking. That's two words of points we have to correct. That's all. Okay, no? Right. So now I am just correcting here. Let's see. So everyone, because when we actually traced it, we understood that. Otherwise, we cannot understand. Okay, no? Right. I'm doing, sir. Now see. Quickly, I'm doing, everyone. While summary sum is greater than or equals to target, what will do, everyone? Tell me. Identify mean size. Mean size is equals to minimum of what two you have to consider? What two variables you have to consider? Me already existing mean size, but you have to find the current length. What is current length? Directly read j minus I plus 1. You will not take separate variable, directly read j minus I plus 1. Once you update, now subtract your sub-array sum with the current element because you shift the window. Sub-array sum is equals to sub-array sum minus, because you are shrinking the window. So whatever the current index I you have, that element value you have to subtract from currently what you have sub-array sum. Okay, then you shrink it. Shrink means I equals to I plus 1. It's not just even simple one time, sir, it's iterative. Why? Because you keep on shrinking until the condition fails. Okay? Until the condition fails. Only that length you will be taking. Otherwise you will get many iterations. Okay, now right? To do one time is very difficult because there will be so many combinations you will be getting. So that's why we are getting many other when we are analyzing it. Okay? Right. That's all, sir. Now, sir, if not satisfied, automatically j will go to next element, correct, sir? Yes. Before we have written else j equals to j plus 1, not required because automatically the power is moving towards j is going to next. Just leave it over. Now come out. Now come out of this. Now what I have to written, sir? He mentioned one condition. Did you see? Sir, suppose if there is no summary exists which is satisfying that condition, you have to return 0. But what is if this is not satisfied? What is our minimum size will be infinite. So there we will fail it. Alright, sir? Yes. So now you have to write condition. What is that, sir? Very simple. If minimum size is equals to infinite, return 0. Else return means size. Okay? So that's what I am writing at the end. If, tell me everyone, sir, min size is equals to float of infinite. So this is also what's actually it is comparison. So do not write single equals, double equals. That means it is not getting updated. It means there is no subarray you got it. There is no subarray you got it on the length also which satisfies the condition. So that's why return 0. Return 0. Else return our min size. Min size. Okay. So that's one more condition we have to see this. That's all. That's all, sir. I kept semicolon. See, do not keep semicolon. Here else. Okay, it's not Java or C. Done? Can we run it now? Sir, can we run it, sir? Answer. Shall we run it now? Yes. Let's see. Come to the test case first. Yes. Remove this min size. Yes, sir. Correct. Now run it. Min sub Name num is not defined. Line number 21 and 9. Okay, come to the 9.
Nums, not num.
Sub array sum. Nums, yes sir. Okay. The next one is 21. Okay. Main sum only we have called, no? Nums comma target. Correct only. Inside the print statement you have it. Check with function name once again. Any problem here? Main sum. Correct only, no? Okay. Let us now run it. So 0, you must get 2 now. What is the problem? For chain range of length of nums, correct only. Subarray sum equals to subarray sum plus the element of array. Then if that sum is greater than or equals to target, here I have the min size, n is missing. That's why it's not updating. Why do we get it? Yes, we got the answer, sir. Everyone, got it? It's 2. Shall we test now second test case?
Yes.
Shall we test the second case, sir? Yes. So come to the second test case now. Let us copy from here. What is the second test case? Second test case is all ones, target is 11. So output is 0. Okay. Control C. And just coming to the code here. Changing the words array. Yes, all 11s, target is 11. All ones, target is 11. Just remove this 2. Yes. Okay, no? This is our second test case and target is 11. So let us run now and see what is the output we get. 0, correct? Correct, sir. Both the test cases are passing. I hope you understand, everyone. I hope you understand. Sliding window with variable size. It cannot be fixed, sir. It is always changing as per the condition. Okay, na? So here you can just give what's are important points here. Can anyone tell me, sir? As long as the condition is satisfied, you keep on shrinking. When the condition is not satisfied, you will be expanding. That's all. I hope you understand. That's only the major 2 points you have to remember, sir. In sliding window, it is used to solve subarray problems with respect to some condition. As long as the condition is satisfied, okay, you will be shrinking the window just by reducing moving the first pointer right side. Whenever tell me, sir, condition is not satisfied, you will be expanding the window by moving the right pointer. The right pointer there we took J, the left pointer we took it as I. You can take any one, whichever you want. If the means left and right also, you can take it. So what is the process? Can you now conclude all the points? Sir, in sliding window with variable size, we always begin. Tell me everyone, sir, the 2 pointers at the beginning. We keep on computing the sum of the subarray elements. Okay, as per the given condition, every time we are checking. If the condition is satisfied, you keep on shrinking from the left side by moving the left pointer. And if the condition is not satisfied, you will be expanding it. That's all. But you just be careful when you are expanding or when you are shrinking. You must add that extra element or you must subtract that element which is missing. If you just miss that, there will be an that's what we have got problem with previous. I mean, our discussion is correct, everything is right, but while implementing, we forgot that. That's the reason we didn't get what's the correct answer in the beginning. Okay? Right. I hope you understand. I hope everyone understands, sir. Okay? So now shall we go with the next problem on this? Yes, quickly we'll solve other problems. See, competitive coding, sir, it requires a lot of words on analysis.
Catch out of the
okay, we'll submit. I think we'll submit now. Yes. But let us copy this and submit there, sir. Okay. So let us see here the function I am copying, sir. From here, min size. Min size, still written min size. Control C. Come to the lead code platform. Yes. Okay, yes sir, I pasted. I just pasted here, see everyone. Yes sir, it's working perfect. Now let us run and see whether all the test cases have been passed or not. Yes, all the 3 test cases have been accepted. You can submit. You have already tested this. Submit. Yes sir, you got 60%. It doesn't matter. Okay, no? Alright. I hope you understand. This is the what, sir? First problem in our second pattern we have seen, sir. Now I'll give you the other problems. Everyone has to do this, and at least 1 or 2 will submit now. Try to submit now. The remaining I'll give it as a homework. Come on, next lead code. Longest substring without repeating characters. Longest substring without repeating characters.
Number 3.
Problem number 3. Yes sir. Longest substring without repeating characters. This is very, very, very important for companies, sir. Okay. Problem number 3. It's a medium level problem. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. S is equals to ABC, BB. When you start with A, go to the word suddenly. B, it's different. Go to the C, different. Go to the A, common. Very simple. When you find common, anything repeated, shrink it. Otherwise, expand it. Are you getting? Find the maximum length. Instead of minimum length, find maximum length. Take initially maximum length 0. Update it with the current time. I hope you can do, everyone. Are you getting my point? It is same as that. But you have to work with strings here. That's all. Come on, spend some time, otherwise understand, analyze it. It is similar to our sliding window with variable size pattern. You can solve this. Your condition is not repeating characters. That means nothing should be repeated. So what you do? Very simple, sir. You keep on moving the characters which you are expanding in the currently window. Move it towards some place. Let us see whether it has repeated elements also or not. Otherwise, if you don't want to have repeated elements, move it to the set. Find the set length. It's better now. Set will always contain, tell me, it will not have duplicates. Move it. As long as you place a character, move it to the set. Okay now? Move it to the set. And every time check the length of the word set will be set. Every time you move J, check the length of the set. Whenever person present length of set is same as length of the previous set. That's all. That's how word will be. Length you will be get that length. That's how you keep on repeating it. But you just think how you can do otherwise. Read it, understand it, and how can you solve this problem? You have to think that everyone has to give me ideas. I'll just now wait for some time. Think for a while. Use pen and paper if you want. Because the pattern is same. Maybe before we are working with numbers, now we are working with strings. That's only the difference. Here the condition is should not be repeated. Before the condition is sum of the sub-array elements is greater than or equals to target. Now the condition is what, sir? Character should not be repeated. Whenever it is repeated, let's stop there. Keep shrinking. Okay now? Right. If it is not repeated, expand. That's all.
नुसतं एस येणार ना सब स्ट्रीममध्ये सेमीकोलन स्ट्रीम काढून टाक एस ठेव नुसतं बाहेर हे टाक 2 डॉट सेमीकोलन डिलीट करना ती लाइन डिलीट कर खालची लाइन खालची 5th वाली ते वाटलं तू काहीतरी लिहितो
Everyone, please think on your own. Do not depend on AI tools, sir. Then what are you thinking? Nothing. Doesn't matter. You take time. The way how I am doing. Sometimes I am getting errors. I am correcting. Sometimes I am not getting correct answer. I am analyzing. That's the way you have to do it. That's the way you have to do it. Everyone. Only then you will learn. If you directly copy from ChatGPT, no use. Everyone, please do it, sir. I'll wait for some time. After that, I'll explain. Okay? If you don't get it. Everyone has to do it. So what you do here? Very simple, sir. When character repeats, you shrink it. When character is not repeated, you expand it. That's all.
म्हणून ते एरर येतं
That's how you proceed.
तू काय लिहिलंच नाही
When repeats, keep on shrinking until no repetitions stop.
टाकते सबस्ट्रिंग तरी काहीतरी
So now the question is how to check whether there is a repeated character. So every character you have to tell me, every character you have to also store somewhere. Whenever you are ST. Where do you store? Will you take normal list or will you take normal set? That you see. If you take list, duplicates are allowed. If you take set, duplicates are not allowed. So what you can understand? What you can understand, sir? Set will always keep you tell me non-duplicate elements. Yes, you can keep track of it in that way. Yes. It's up to you. First, develop the thinking. Develop the thinking. As per the process what we analyzed. Use pen and paper. Use pen and paper. Develop thinking, sir. Develop an algorithm otherwise and solve this problem.
पहिले ते इल्ट्रेट करायला लागणार ना
लिस्ट बनवायला लागेल
एक सेट बनवायला लागेल हां एक सेट बनवायला लागणार त्याच्यात सगळे नंबर राहणार मग आता जो आपला एस आहे तो आपला ए आहे ना स्ट्रिंग आहे स्ट्रिंगच्या आतमध्ये नंबर जे पण आहे हां I0 आणि फॉर जे आता लूप लावायला लागेल ना फॉर जे इन्क्रीमेंट होणार ना लेंथ ऑफ एस पण लेंथ ऑफ एस थोडी कारण की त्याचं स्ट्रिंग आहे येणार माझा डुप्लिकेट कसे डायरेक्ट एक्समध्ये टाकणार ना अरे पण तू सेटमध्ये डायरेक्ट टाकलं तर ते डुप्लिकेट होणार नाही कंडिशन ती लागणारच नाही ना डायरेक्ट तू सेटमध्ये टाक ते डायरेक्ट सेटमध्ये टाक नंबर
Longest substring without repeating characters. You have to find every time maximum length.
कंडिशन लागणार कुठली
स्ट्रिंगमध्ये
पहिले टाक तरी
जेव्हा वाटेल जेव्हा ते सम एक बनेल ऑन प्लस वन होईल आणि आपल्याला कंडिशन आता लावायला लागेल इफ हे काउंट नंतर
Very simple, sir. Shall I give you all of them once again? Otherwise, I'll wait and see. You take time, not a problem. At least finish this problem by today, sir. Remaining, I'll give you homework. So the 3 problems on sliding window with exercise, 2 problems on vehicle size we have done. 5 problems in the afternoon time. And the remaining ones are homework. 3 I think I'll give you
डायरेक्ट
on
सेटमध्ये टाक ना त्या एलिमेंटला
exercise. Remaining 3 I'll give it on variable size also.
एक्स डॉट एम
But this we have to solve, everyone.
डायरेक्ट सेटमध्ये
Everyone has to solve.
टाक दिला
You take time, not a problem. Last 10 minutes I'll explain if you don't get it. Please keep doing, everyone. Do not give up. Just use pen and paper. It's very simple.
असंच होतं ना
Because if you think any array problems or any competitive coding problem based on patterns, you can solve it easily.
सेट्स
Maybe initially you face some difficulties in executing and getting the output. You trace it where is the problem, then you realize. You'll be getting it. Okay, now? It's not a duplicate. It's not a duplicate. So it's not a duplicate. This is what you do. Expand the size. Expand the size. How do you expand the size? Just repeat. Okay? If it is not in the words of tell me,
रिटर्न
list, just add it to the already existing words whatever set you take it, then expand the size.
पाठी घे
If it is not in it, add it and expand. If it is already in it, shrink it. That means, what do you do? Suppose if your current character is not in already selected listed list, it is a new character. Alright, sir? Yes. So you will be what you will be doing? Expanding the people. If it is already present, shrinking. Shrinking means remove that character from the set. Alright, sir? Yes.
एरर कमी हो
Okay? And remove the character from the set. That means set of I like that. Then what do you do? What do? You just what, sir? Move I equals to I plus 1. But one thing you have to do, whenever you are shrinking, you have to expand, find out your maximum size. Maximum size. What is the maximum size? J minus I plus 1. It's common. Okay? Right. That you compare with the initial maximum
एस
size.
टाक घे
I've already given you idea. Everyone, come on, first if you want to do write and manually, then you can transform it to the code. Then you can transform it to the
हा
code.
सेट नाही
It's 4:15, another 5 minutes I'll wait.
स्ट्रिंग आहे ना
If you have done, anyone has done, please call me, I'll see, sir. Otherwise I'll explain. Okay, no? At least you do manual procedure, everyone.
एक्स कट
The process what I said. Okay?
कसला बघ
If it is not in list, add it to the
सेट
list.
टाकायचंच नाही
Go to the WhatsApp expansion. If it is already in the list,
डिफाइन करणार
or let's just set wait what you assume, then what do? You have to shrink it. How do you shrink it, sir? You have to remove that from. You have to remove that from already list what you have set what you have, and then what you have to do? You have to expand I equals to I plus.
आता इथे सेट
Shall I do the manual process of the way? Will you transform it to the code? Okay, I'll do that. Let's see, sir. Everyone, I'll do the manual process. See otherwise, I will.
एक्स कट कर एक्स टाक तिथे एक्सच आहे ना एक्स टाक एक्स इक्वल टू
ब्रॅकेट
कर्ली ब्रॅकेट पुढे गेला आता बघ
Look at this, sir.
काय
Look at this, sir.
अपेंड नाही होत आहे
Sir,
याच्यात जात
I took initially, let's say, a set called C or visited, anything, visited or C,
असेच
whatever.
करतात का ॲड करतात
Let's say it's an empty set I'm taking it. Okay, now? Right. I am starting at 0 as you know. Okay? and I am taking what, so C is equals to what, so an empty set initially. Then I am just keeping a for loop for
सेटला कसं
JE range of,
मी नाही दिलेला
tell me everyone, length of our string, whatever you get it. So. And you also assume initially maximum length is equals to minimum value as C.
That's right.
Okay.
AI ला टाक.
Right. Now let's see the process. What's happening? Sir, you just give me first character. What is the first test case? ABC, BB. Okay. Okay, now. So first what I'll do? First I'll go to the first character. Sir. Here is I. Here it is my G. First character I am at this. Initially my set is empty. So it is not in set. Since it is not in set, what I am doing? I am adding it to the set. Okay, so that means my C becomes now one element it contains. Let's say A. Okay. Then I'll go to the second. I'll increase the size now. I'll go to the second. Okay. I'll go to the second. Now what I got, sir? B. That is also not in. Tell me set. So it's not a duplicate. It is original. I am adding here. I hope I understand. Okay? Right. So every time, sir, if the condition is not if it is not duplicate, what I am doing? I am just also expanding the window and adding the character to the set. That's all. Okay? Then C. Yes, I am adding further. Then D. What is that, sir? A. Whenever I come to A, my J is here now. Whenever I come to A, it is already in the set. Have I read everyone? Tell me, yes. Take using membership operator, check it. Whether that element is, let's say, what is that, sir? String name, let's say str. Str of right is in C. Then what you have to do? It is part of it. Then keep shrinking. Okay? Right. Now let's see. So A is already there in our C. Twisted characters. Yes. Now we have to do other thing. What are the other thing? Sir, if it is not in there, we are expanding. If it is already visited, sir, it's a duplicate. Since it is a duplicate, what we have to do? We have to try to shrink the window. I hope you understand. Yes. I hope you understand. Okay, na? Right. So now, before I shrink it, what I will do? First, I'll remove this character, sir. First, I'll remove this character from this length. So that means it becomes like this. So, I'm removing and then shrinking. Okay, now. So then, what I am doing here, sir? The currently at index I. What is the character I have, sir? A. What is the character I have, sir? A. So then, what I do? I'll just remove now. I'll remove this. So it becomes now. Tell me everyone. B and C. Okay, now I'll remove it. So I hope you understand. Now take your maximum length. I removed it. Now take your maximum length. So what was actually maximum length when you found duplicates, sir? Okay? What was your maximum length when you found duplicates, sir? When you actually before found duplicate, j minus I becomes what, sir? 4. J minus I is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. But at this fourth length, you got, tell me everyone, duplicate. Fourth length is duplicate. That's why first year you don't find maximum length. After removing it, find the maximum length. So what is now maximum length now? So this is currently my words of I is at this place. Okay, I may be words of I just remove here. Now I becomes what's up? I minus 1. Now I becomes what's up? I minus 1. So my maximum length is equals to, tell me everyone, the maximum of, what do you say everyone? Maximum of already existing what's the initial length, comma, j minus I plus 1. Okay, are you getting my point? Yes. So I is at, now tell me, 1, j is at what, sir? 4, 3. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Yes. That's a non-duplicate length. That's everyone, ABC is a non-duplicate length. Yes, I hope you understand. Yes, sir. Repeat this process throughout the length of the string. So only 2 steps. What is that? Sir, If you cannot see any duplicate character, keep on adding it to the visited nodes, visited words or characters, increase the size. But if you find a character in the words, tell me, if you find a character in the given words list or set, it is a duplicate. When it is a duplicate, what we do? Shrink it. When you shrink it, first you don't extract the maximum length. After shrinking, you extract it. Because initially, if you extract it, what is the length becomes? That will also consider your duplicate character. But we should remove it and we have to count it. Am I right, sir? Yes. So then I am removing it and then counting it. That's all. Repeat this and finally return max size you will be getting. Shall I do it, everyone? Shall I do this manual process? I hope you understand, everyone. Okay, now? Manual process, I hope everyone understand. The same thing I will do, just using our words of sliding window with variable size pattern. Now let us see what the answer becomes. Come on, many of you after break, I could see many words and tell me people should also analyzing and seeing here before the break. After break, everyone deviated. Only few, these first benches, these always 30, 40 members. Okay, listen now. Last benches, just look at this. We'll quickly do it now. Let's say, so what we take here, first, tell me, we'll take ink, shall we take ink or anything, main length, no ink, max length, sorry, max length, let's say initially, I'm taking 0, one variable, max length is equals to 0, then tell me some. What we assume then? I equals to 0. Or else you say left pointer, right pointer, anything is okay. Left equals to 0. Then what we take? Shall we take visited or seen? Anything is okay. Visited character or visited is equals to, what do you take visited is equals to? An empty set. An empty set. Okay, now? Right. Visited is equals to an empty set. Okay. Then anything else required, sir? Anything else required? Nothing else. Then what we do? Start with loop J in range of, not J, right pointer. Left pointer, right pointer. Instead of I, J, I am calling left, right. For right in range of, for right in range of length of, what is the sig name given here, sir? What is the sig name given? STR. Length of STR. Okay. For writing range of length of STR. Now, you have to tell me everyone, if it is present in the list, you have to tell me, sir, iteratively shrink it until the condition fails. Alright, sir? Yes. Now again it is a while loop, not just like one statement in here. So while what do you say? STR of right in visited, if that character is already visited. I hope you understand what you are doing. What you are doing? Tell me, you are removing the ith index character and calculating, tell me, the maximum length after incrementing, after shrinking. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everyone? Yes. So, what I am writing? Tell me, sir. So, here, first, visited dot, remove of, remove a pop percent if I want to remove a character. Remove an index I. That means shall we write pop? Tell me. It's a set now? Pop. If you write remove, we must know the elements. So better we don't know what is that. But you can write remove of STR of it. Yes, that character no? It's already present, that's why you are removing that. I hope you understand. But instead, we have to remove the first character actually. Okay? So at ith index character we have to remove. Alright, sir? Tell me. Yes. Because we are shrinking here, no? Shrinking here. So that's why don't write towards the remove here. Let us pop. Pop of I. Now I equals to I plus 1 and then your maximum length. Max length is equals to what is it, sir? Maximum of max length plus current length. What is current length? J minus I plus 1. Come on, this you don't calculate before shrinking. If you calculate before shrinking, definitely you consider the duplicate character also. That's the precaution you have to take it, everyone. Are you getting my point? Come on. Visible, no? Oh, okay, I'll move on. Okay? Right. So, that's all. Anything else we have to do? Nothing else. We remove it, we pop it, and then we upload it once again. Yes, sir. I is left, J is right, sir. Very good, sir. Okay, we are ready. Left is equals to left plus 1. Max length of right minus left plus 1. Right minus left plus 1. Okay, done. I hope you understand. Sir, if this is not the case, what we will do? Sir, this condition is not satisfied, then what we will do? Very simple, come to the y level. So you add that character to the visited and expand J, automatically J will run. I hope you understand. Yes. So what do you write now, tell me? Visited dot add of, what is it, sir? str of right. That's all. Just add it. Am I right? Yes. Anything else, sir? Do we need to move J equals J plus 1? It automatically moves now. Right pointer by for loop automatically moves right pointer to the right.
Yes.
We need not write it. So now shall we come out of this for loop and return the result?
Yes.
What is the return? Max length. Return max length. Okay now? Right. So now I am doing here, sir. Let's say return max length. Okay, done. Come on. When I am calculating maximum length, when duplicate element is repeated, I am calculating what's the maximum length. Okay. Let us see whether it satisfies the condition or not. If it is not satisfying, we will raise the problem. Anything else required? Nothing else, no? That's all. So now let us run and see. Has no length. Object has no length. Length of str. Why it's not string?
S.
Where?
S. It is written as function.
Instead of str, write s.
Okay, we mentioned s. Oh, sorry. Yes, string name is s. Okay. Yes. But like somewhere also we have to change this. In other places where we have written str, s of. Here also it's not str of right, it is s of right. Here
Right,
also
right.
not str of right, here s of right. Okay now?
Yes.
Okay now? Yes. Now let's see. Run this code.
Bar line ची board is not out there.
Visited.pop of left. Set.pop takes no arguments but one is given. Okay. Pop automatically deletes the first element, sir. But I want to delete a specific index from here. Not required, I think. Okay, let's see. Let's see now. Without this, we'll see. Yeah, third test case failing, sir. First two test cases are passing, third test case is failing. So we will see what is the problem with third test case tomorrow morning. Shall we continue? Not now, tomorrow. Okay? I hope you understand. I just changed it. It's working. One test case is failing. We'll analyze where is the problem. Okay? Right. Okay. We can just save this code till this point. We'll continue tomorrow morning.